Hey everyone, have you seen the prices for the new iPhone 17 Pro Max? Impressive, right? Many people think a purchase like that means months of saving or getting a loan. But what if I told you there's a way to earn it much faster? Today, I'm not just going to show you some trading. I'm going to test the updated artificial intelligence of the Storm Signal bot. The developers have loaded a completely new pocket option strategy into it, and I want to see if it can, in one session, earn us enough to buy this beauty. For those just starting, Pocket Option is a platform where we predict an asset's price movement. Will it go up or down in a specific time? The interface is simple, but complex analysis lies behind that simplicity. And that's where we need help. Meet the updated Storm Signal bot. This isn't just a signal assistant. Its AI has been completely reworked. It now uses an adaptive binary trading strategy that, according to the creators, analyzes not just technical indicators, but also real-time market sentiment. Enough talk, let's see if this pocket option trading strategy is capable of what we've planned. Starting the session. Okay, my balance is $50. I'm waiting for the first signal from the updated AI. This is always the most exciting moment. Okay, got a signal. USD/CADOTC, sell 5 seconds. I'm entering the trade with the full amount $50. This is a very short time frame, a pure test of the bot's reaction. 3, 2, 1, perfect, $46. Our balance is already $96. Not slowing down. I'm going all in. The next trade will be for $96. The bot is analyzing the same pair, USD/CADOTC. Did it spot a reversal? Let's trust it. Entry. This binary options trading strategy needs to account for microtrends. Watching. Yes, $88. Balance is $184. We've doubled up twice. All right, $184 on the line. The bot signals again on USD/CADOTC, 15 seconds, buy. It's insisting on an upward move. This is a bold pocket option strategy to follow the trend. I'm in. The tension is rising. If this trade wins, we'll be looking at serious numbers. The chart is twitching. Yes, $169. The balance is $353. Just look at that. $353. The bot is changing assets. Now USD/JPYOTC. A very fast signal, 5 seconds, buy. This is risky, but I'm trusting the bot's new pocket option trading strategy, entering for $353. Got it, $325. Our balance is $678. Are you seeing this? The final push, $678. If this trade wins, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is ours. The bot signals again on USD/JPYOTC, 15 seconds buy. It's confident in this asset. This is the biggest trade of the day, entering for $678. My pulse is racing. 10 seconds. $624. Balance $1,302. We did it. $1,302 in 5 trades. We just earned enough for a new iPhone 17 Pro Max using the updated Storm Signal bot. Its new binary trading strategy performed incredibly. But I must warn you, this video is not financial advice. Trading, especially with high risk as I've shown, carries a significant chance of capital loss. I took this risk consciously for this video. In real trading, always stick to money management. Do not trade with your last bit of money and always trade with a clear head. Use any binary options trading strategy wisely. The bot is a tool, but you are the one making the decisions. Trade smart, and your next goal will also become a reality. See you